In this video, we're going to walk through how to send bulk SMS in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. This is a simple but very powerful way to reach many of your leads or contacts at the same time. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the left menu and click on Contacts. From the Contacts page in your sub-account, first filter to only show contacts with phone numbers by setting the phone field to is not empty and applying the filter. You can add other filters if needed, such as tags or custom fields, but in this example, we'll include everyone with a phone number. Select all records by clicking the checkbox on the left and then select all records. Next, click the Send SMS button in the top bar. If your sub-account has multiple phone numbers, choose the number you want to send from. Enter your message or select a template. You can add custom values using the tag icon, include links, attachments, or emojis. You can send messages immediately, schedule them for a specific date and time, or use drip mode. Scheduling lets you pick the start date and time. Drip mode lets you set a batch size, interval, hours, days, or custom, specific days, like weekdays, and process hours, such as 8 a.m. 5 p.m. For this demonstration, we'll send all at once. Add an action name, for example, test, and click Send SMS. The system confirms the bulk action and provides a link to the bulk actions page, where you can track progress, see the name of the action, check completion status, and view stats showing how many messages were attempted, sent, or skipped. And that's it. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.